Little Rabbit Kacper. Kacper was a small, white rabbit. He loved to run through the tall green grass. One day, he hopped happily across the meadow. The grass was soft, and the air smelled sweet. Suddenly, Kacper stopped. Everything looked different. "Oh no! Where am I?" he whispered. He felt a little scared, but then he remembered. "Be brave." Just then he saw a friendly hedgehog. "I will help you." Together they walked through the meadow. Soon Kacper saw his home under the big tree. "I'm back," he said with a smile. From that day on, Kacper always stayed close to home and never forget his kind friend. Subscribe.